looking to invest in inner city for yourself or for a rental property, this 2-story townhouse in Glenbrook is a great opportunity. It has been beautifully renovated. Every aspect of this home has been updated and it looks amazing. It is move-in ready. You don't have to worry about a thing. There are 3 bedrooms upstairs, a full bathroom, a beautiful living space, and this fantastic kitchen. This home comes with the best of both worlds because you get your own private yard attached right off the front. Check out the area around 3809 45th Street. You're so central to the major shopping area of Signal Hill, and there's a Safeway literally 3 minutes away. You can walk there. Downtown is an easy 10-minute drive, and there's lots of parks and areas to walk in this residential neighborhood. Thank you so much for watching the teaser video of this fantastic unit that will be hitting the market soon. Please like the video, share it, and follow us on our other social medias linked below. We're always coming out with updated market information and our newest listings. Until next time, keep it real.